Hi all, let's see why to use JavaScript in HTML. But note, this video is only for why JavaScript. For full JavaScript tutorial, please check the channel. JavaScript makes HTML pages more interactive and dynamic. That means by using JavaScript, we can validate form fields, dynamically change drop-down menus, button actions when user interacts, animation effects, etc. Then we can also change HTML content, CSS styles or images dynamically without reloading the page. And also JavaScript reduce the need for server request by handling data processing on client side and also improve the performance of website. Now let's see few examples practically using JavaScript. Each JavaScript topic covered in JavaScript tutorial. Please check the channel. Let's go back to VS Code. In last video we saw HTML div. Let's reuse that same example. Let's add button. For creating a button, we can use button element. For showing the text on button, we have to provide the text between the button elements. Let's add click here. Now let's check it in browser. Let's refresh. See, now we added button successfully, but when I click on it, there is no action is performed. Let's add click event. When I click on this button, let's show alert message. This can be achieved by JavaScript. For adding JavaScript code in HTML page, we have to use script element. Inside script element only, we should add JavaScript code. Let's add JavaScript function. For adding JavaScript function, we have to use function keyword, then function name. Any function name you can give. Then inside curly brackets, we have to provide function code. Let's add alert box. So when the user click on the button, this function should be triggered. Let's link that. We have to add that function in onClick event. OnClick. Let's call that function. Function name is my function. Let's copy and paste. So when the button is clicked, this function will trigger. Let's check it in browser. Let's refresh. Let's click. See, button click event triggered successfully. Now let's see how to add or change content when the button click event occurred. Let's see. Let's add empty paragraph. Let's add ID to that. Mountain para. When this button is clicked, the content should add to this paragraph. For that, we have to use document dot get element by ID. ID name is mountain para. See, ID name is mountain para. Then dot inner HTML is equal to any content. Let's save. Let's go to browser and refresh. Let's click. See, we added the content to the paragraph dynamically on button click event by using JavaScript. So for handling events, dynamic contents, we can use JavaScript in HTML page. For complete JavaScript tutorial, please check the channel. No script tag in HTML. This tag provide alternative content for user. For example, if the user disabled JavaScript or their browser that doesn't support it, means JavaScript code in your website won't work for them. In that time, you can show message to that user like your browser doesn't support JavaScript or turn on JavaScript to continue like that. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.